This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to foam roll those rotator muscles to release your shoulders. This can help with neck and shoulder pain. You will need either a tennis ball and a tube sock like this, or a foam roll ball on a cord like this. And of course, a wall. Holding the cord, all you need to do is move the ball to this part of your back right here on the shoulder blade. Using your body weight to lean into the wall to control the pressure, you move your body to get the ball to move and work all of the shoulder blade muscles. If you find a sore spot, you can hang out for 15 seconds to 2 minutes. Just make sure to not overdo it. Do this 5 to 15 minutes a day, and if you're sore, let it rest. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, you know to do all the things. Reach out if you have any questions.